Hi, this is going to be a quick video on how you change your time zone in Think Markets. And there are 4 different platforms you can use for Think Markets. 2 are through Think Markets themselves or itself, and then 2 are through the MT5 platform that uses Think Market data. So the Think Market platforms, you can change the time zone. The first one is they're web-based. Here's their logo here. You go to the upper right corner, click on Profile, click on Settings, and the ability to change that is located right here on this pop-up. The second one, let me change my screen share. The second one is their desktop version. And the way you change this is you click on Settings. It's going to open up another pop-up window and you change your time zone here. There's a few other things you can change in here as well. So the 2 that you cannot change, and I will show you those just so you know which one you're using. You've got the Think Markets, or I'm sorry, the MT5 platform, which will look like this. This one you cannot change the time zone. And the second one that you cannot change the time zone on is going to be the MT5 web-based, which looks like this. So again, the Think Market platforms themselves, you can change the time zones. If you're using the MT5 platform with the Think Markets data, you cannot. Hopefully this is helpful and happy trading.